Hello friends, today I am going to talk about how to make peeling solution and preparation of slide for microscopic study of any of the cryptogamic material which was very delicate. Myself, Dr. Mahendra Bhise, I am working as an assistant professor in botany, late Kumari Durga Ke Banmeru Science College, Lonar, District Buldhana. Here I am going to introduce simplest method to prepare permanent slide of any delicate cryptogamic like fungi, algae, bryophyte, specifically microfungi. Shortly, you can say we can use a peeling solution to mount entire and undisturbed structure of cryptogamic material and prepare a clean and clear permanent slide for microscopic study. Friends, this method was actually invented by my guide Professor Chandrahas Patil from Shivaji University Kolhapur. He is my research guide for PhD. We had work on taxonomic study of black mildew fungi from western Ghats of India, and these black mildew fungi are very critical, delicate, folliculous. In this, these fungal material form very delicate and particular colonized structure on living leaves. So the scraping method totally disturb the mycelia, also the reproductive structures. But if we use the peeling solution to pull the fungal colony off and mount it on slide, so we can observe exact structure in the microscopic study. So for that, firstly we will look what are the requirements. We have to require a clean wasted thermocol, xylene solution, glass beaker, glass rod. And the procedure for making the peeling solution is, firstly we have to dissolve the thermocol in xylene, stir it gently to avoid formation of bubbles. Friends, this thermocol will slowly dissolve in this xylene solution, and we have to observe a viscous solution. After that, you have to slightly heat this solution to make clear appearance. So at the end, we have to prepare the peeling solution. After that, you have to select your material. Here we have select the black colony infected fungal material. We have to apply this viscous solution on the colonies which we would like to observe or we would like to microscopic study. So you have to apply exactly this viscous solution on the colony gently by using the glass rod, or you will use any brush or glass rod. So but precaution you have to take, you have to gently put these viscous solution, or you may say the peeling solution, on the colonies. After applying this solution, you have to allow it for 12 hours for drying. After that, these peeling solution will get completely dry and it can easily remove from the leaf surface. So here we have to make a square cut to remove the peeling solution. After that, on the glass slide, you have to use the same solution as a mounting medium, and in this mounting medium you have to take this peel and mount it on the slide. After that, A fresh peeling solution will dissolve the dried peels. So this dry peel will dissolve in this mounting medium. So your colony or your any fungus structure will remain as it is on the slide. So our entire folliculus colony will remain as it is on the slide. It does not disturb any mycelial branching, any structure of your fungi. After that, you have to slowly put the cover glass and press gently to become uniform peeling solution. And after that, you have to put your slide for completed drying, and your permanent slide will be formed. After complete drying, you have to observe these permanent slides for microscopic study of your cryptogamic material. Here we have to use these slides for observing the black mildew fungi taxonomic character, or you can say micromorphological characters. Thank you so much. One more, friends, you can visit to this paper as a mounting and permanent slide preparation technique for cryptogames in Bioscience Discovery. It is available in online. Thank you so much.